Hello and welcome to the Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So Bitcoin traded lower ahead of the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's Jackson Hole speech. So volatility in the crypto market comes at a time when the stock markets were showing highly volatile as well nature. So if we talk about Nasdaq, which has fallen roughly around 2.5% in the overall last week. So IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading lower by 1.6% at 31,390 points. Bitcoin fell 1% to trade at $21,400. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2.6% and was trading at $1,650. So the most important event and the market participants are actually looking for is the Jackson Hole conference, which is underway in USA. It is a key annual conference of the Federal Reserve which lays down the central bank's plan for the next year. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's speech, which is scheduled at today, is likely to have a strong impact on the cryptocurrency market and the most important cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. So, the part of the Fed's Jackson Hole annual symposium, Powell will set to deliver a speech on the day that spectators hoped would provide new cues to the economic policy going forward. So since we are talking about inflation, rising interest rate, recessions and everything, that is what the 3-day conference will aim at. So the US consumer, which is the CPI inflation shown since June, interest remained high over the extent of the key interest rate hikes which are scheduled in September. People were talking about 75 basis points and then there is an indication about 50. There is a lot of optimism about lower than expected interest rate hike. That's the reason why market has actually stabilized. So summarizing the current economic situation in the US, macro analyst has argued that the Fed could have no choice but to change course before the end of this year. That is the reason why, if there is any indication coming from this meeting, will positively impact the cryptocurrency market going forward. That's what we have been talking on this subject from the last 3-4 days. So on my left, Binance BNB was down 2.1% and was trading at $295. Solana Sol was down by 4% to trade at $34. Avalanche FX was trading at $22, down by 4%. Next on the list is Shiba Inu, was down by 6.3%. Polkadot was also trading lower by 3% at $7.4. Doge, the popular meme coin, was seen trading lower at 3.6% at $0.067. Polygon Matic lost 2.8% to trade at $0.80. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.36, which is actually up 3.6%. Cardano's ADA token was also higher by 1.8% at $0.47. So let's get a technical perspective view from our technical expert Ayushi Verma. Ayushi, welcome on 3.0 TV.
Thank you, Manoj, for inviting me here. So let's quickly get started. And this is the daily chart of Bitcoin. So again, there is nothing much to say today also. And the price is basically trading in a very, very small range. And you can see that, one day you will see maybe a green dozy or a spinning top. Another you will see a red spinning top or a green, red dozy. So basically it means, the momentum is very small, and that's basically showing us a lack of trading activity, lack of momentum, and that's the reason you can also look at the volumes. We are getting very less volumes as of now. So what we can see, we can definitely see a resistance level of 22,600, and we can take up a support at 20,000. And now the price is basically down by this particular level and also this trend line. So we can see that maybe we can see further fall in this particular cryptocurrency. So now that will be a kind of thing to just wait and watch, and then once you will be getting more conditions, more indications about direction, about a particular price direction, that I think that will be the best time. So as of now, what we can see, we can ideally a trader or a person should just wait for one clear indication, and then after that he or she should take action. Now if I talk about the Ethereum, so Ethereum is basically, again, it's trading, and today it's down by more than 2%, and it is like very near to this resistance area of 1725. So now even yesterday the price tested that level, but again failed to close above this level. So again it's clearly showing that we are taking up a support at this particular trend line, and the price is however not falling because the price is up by this trend line also. It's up by the 100 EMA, but momentum is completely lacking. So the upside momentum is lacking, so we can't say much about it. What we can see till the time the price is trading in a range, that will be the best thing to look at into this particular cryptocurrency. So for the resistance, I can take up a level of 1725, and the support can be taken at 1510. And similar things, which are which we have seen in Bitcoin and Ethereum. The similar things we can see in the IC50 index as well. Now, if you look at here, you can see the range for this particular index is 35,000 could be the resistance, and 29,500 could be the support area. And again, because momentum is less, so you can't see much clear indication or direction, toward the one side, which is also lacking here.